Welcome back, you beautiful people. So today we are going to analyze CTSI, USDT pair, and BTC pair. And one more thing I want to tell you that guys, I really appreciate your efforts that you are watching my videos regularly. You guys rock. Okay, so let's get into the video. So here is a quick introduction about the project. It was founded in 2018. Okay, the Courtesy team realized they were tapping into a broader scope, and the project evolved into developing a versatile layer 2 Linux infrastructure to overcome the problems of scalability of computation and infrastructure for blockchain application. So basically they are doing the things which Ethereum is already doing in a advanced way. Like Ethereum has a problem of scalability, right? So this is Oracle based project. Okay, it has room for growth, but it has already grown so much, so I have doubt that it will outperform or not in this bull run. Let's see. So here we have the USDT chart. USDT chart looks really good on HTF. I think it is gonna break upside because this triangular formation reminds me of the link, link crypto, and it has broken upside in a very massive way. Link has also formed this kind of pattern in the past, so there is high probability that it will break in the upper side. To get more clear vision, we have a channel here, or you can call it as a bull flag. Okay, you can call it as a bull flag, and this is it. If we measure the target for this bull flag, we get it around 1.4 is the first target, and second target is around $2. Okay, and even if we consider this whole consolidation as a triangle, then the target would be, I think, the same, around 618 only. Yeah, it is around $2 to $2.2. Okay, why I'm not much bullish on this? Because it has already grown 30 to 40x from here. Oh my god, so it is at 67x. Okay, so that is a huge number. It has already grown so much. So there are better bets in this field of Oracle based projects. There are many other good coins which can give you much higher returns, but not as the other coin can give you. The invalidation level for the USDT pair is this level. So you can buy at the current market price, or just do DCA if it retraces. Okay, so this is the stop loss. Okay, and the targets are new ATH, which is $2 to $2.2. Okay, so this is the trade setup which you can consider if you are a bullish or a bull on CTSI. It will break. The only thing is there is less probability that it can give you 10x, 20x, 30x return. Okay, so there are much better coins. I'm not talking about the fundamentals, I'm talking about the technical charts. Okay, on the technical basis there are much better coins out there. So this can easily give you the 200 to 300% gain, and then there might be somewhere we will see a top formation, and that will be end of the bull run. Okay, and if you look at the BTC pair has a very crucial level at this low 950, 960. It should not break. Okay, it should not break, otherwise there will be high chances that we will see CTSI at this zone, which is at 600 to 400 to 600 Satoshi. And if we break on the upper side, like on the USDT pair, we are about to break out, right? So if we break on the upper side, then same, same amount of percentage gain you will get from here also, 2 to 3x. So then the first target will be 29,000 Satoshi, and second would be 35,000 to 40,000 Satoshi. Okay, these are the things which you can keep in mind if you are bullish on CTSI. Fine. And one thing I want to tell you about is I bought CTSI like an year ago on 26 June 2020. Okay, and at that time CTSI was newly launched on Binance, and it was one of my biggest bag at that time, and I sold it for around 300% gain. See, I'm up more than 300% on my CTSI trade. Okay, I just traded the whole rally. Just look at this whole rally, parabolic rally. But you know what? It was a tiny pump if we look at the bigger picture. Just see at the bigger picture. Wait. This was the rally which I traded at that time. This was the rally. This was the rally. This was the rally. Guys, this was the rally. And after that, it again dumped back and retraced back to my entry. And when it started its bull run, and just look at this, the gains I missed, but it's okay. Like, it was not possible to project that it will go that much higher. Okay, so for my entry, it was 62x. Okay, I missed huge gains on this, but I'm satisfied because at that time crypto was not that much bullish on overall market scenario, and still it gave me 300% return. I missed this tweet so much. So that's it for CTSI, and you can place your bids. Okay, between, okay, you can buy some of your portion. And wait, we have a inverse head and shoulder also. Here we have a inverse head and shoulder also. Okay, and the target for the inverse head and shoulder would be 0, which is around $0.94. Okay, so you can buy it right now, and if it retraces to 0.65, 0.6, you can buy it and place the stop loss below 0.48, and the target would be 1.5, $1, 1.5, and 2 and $2.2. Okay, so this is the complete analysis for CTSI, and I hope that you got some vital information from it. And we have a Telegram group. Below under this video you will see the handles, social media handles of our Twitter and Telegram, so please join it. See you in the next video.
Sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.